Assalamu alaikum and welcome. Today's session we will understand twins, the process of formation of twins or twin placentation. So I will try to make it as simple as possible. We will learn like dichorionic, monoamniotic, identical or fraternal. This terminology we will understand. Twins are different types, like some twins are identical, they are same. They are come from the monozygotic twins. They always should be both brother or both sisters will be same. And dizygotic can be different, and dizygotic one can be boy, one can be girl. So in dizygotic actually same like the pregnancy in one shot, same like brother and sisters in different gap. So we will understand that how this process happens. So let's explain. So normal process is, this is the ovum, it mates with sperm and zygote forms. This is the zygote. So this is the way every human being forms. So this is the usual way. But if this zygote give rise to embryo, one embryo. But if this zygote again split and differentiate and give rise to two embryo, then this is called monozygotic twin, because it is come from one zygote. Okay. Then come the another example. In this example, like two ovum comes at the same time. Usually one ovum come from the ovary. But if like two-sided ovary, two ovum come at the same time, there is some factors which some females are genetically like that. Their two ovum can come at the same time. So this is the mother who decide this twinning. So two ovum come and two sperm come to fertilize this. And there is at the same time, there is a two zygote. So two zygotes. So this is so-called dizygotic, and from this two twin is formed. And they are not identical, they are called fraternal. So what are the types of twin pregnancy can occur? Let's see this. Like one can be occurs, let's explain it. So one can be like one placenta, one chorion. What is chorion? Chorion is the outer outer membrane, or it is the part of the placenta contributed by the baby. So this chorion, so we first called like this is one chorion, so monochorionic. So we divided like chorionicity and amniocity. What is the number of chorion? So now this is monochorionic, and it can occur monoamniotic, monochorionic, monoamniotic. This is the one possibility. Another possibility can be monochorionic, but this is one chorion, but this is blue one is amniotic, amnion, diamniotic. This is one. Another possibility is dichorionic. There is a two placenta, see, and also two amnion. So they are totally separate. Okay. This can be also sometimes fused. This is called dichorionic, diamniotic, but fused. Okay, so dizygotic give rise to dichorionic, diamniotic, but monozygotic can give rise to different types of twins depending on the when it was splitting. If splitting occurs early, that is good, they are more separated. But if it is less in the late in differentiating or splitting, then it is a problem. It is, we can compare it as a booking of a hotel room. That's why how I remember. This is something like mnemonics, like 0 to 4 days. Like you want to book a hotel room early, you will get both kitchen or this is can be dining table and the room separate, isn't it? So this is both placenta and both amniotic cavity is separate. So this is all are separate. Amniotic cavity is separate and the chorion or the placenta is separate 0 to 4, because you book the room, you got the 2 separate room. If it is from 4 to 8, then there is a single placenta, but still you got the same dining table, you have to share the dining table, but the both room are still separate. This means monochorionic, diamniotic, like that, they are separate. If it is 8 to 12, then all are shared. You have to share the room, you have to share the dining table, you have to share the room. Means monochorionic and monoamniotic. If it is 12 years, like from 13 days, if the splitting occurs, it is late to split, then there is actually, so they are conjoined twin body, or this is their some portion of the body, head is joined. This is conjoined twin. Okay, dizygotic twins are more common. You see, dizygotic 70%, about 2/3. Monozygotic twins are 30%, about 1/3. So from your common sense, you can understand that to split the zygote from one zygote to splitting, it will be rare, but to 2 ovum fertilized by 2 sperm, it could be easy and it could be the most common. This is a bonus information that if you do ultrasonogram, how the dichorionic will be identified. This is something called lambda sign. You know the lambda sign? This is like lambda sign. So this is actually means that there is a 1, 2 chorion separated. So this is lambda sign. But in case of monochorionic, this is called T sign. So T sign, actually this is absence of lambda sign. This all from me, friends, and so this is my 1.99 cents. Okay, stay tuned. Goodbye.